So to start us off, I'm going to invite you to think of a moment where you felt loved and accepted. It could have been in a group setting, individually, at home, at school, wherever. But in this moment, or maybe a random act of kindness, you felt loved and accepted. Think of a moment from your childhood. And once you have that moment, I'm going to invite you to, either with your eyes closed or open, to bring yourself to imagine that moment where you felt loved and accepted. And once you have that moment in mind, I'm going to invite you to just notice who was there. Who else was in this memory, in this moment of love and acceptance? Who was doing the loving? Who was doing the accepting? I'm going to invite you to notice how you felt loved and accepted in that moment. And again, you're showing up as you in the present, grown up, and you're noticing the younger version of you experiencing love and acceptance. And notice what was important for you to feel loved and accepted. And notice how that was communicated or provided to you in that specific moment. And again, in through the nose, out through the nose. And as you're noticing this moment of love and acceptance, notice if you can feel a little bit of that love and acceptance right now, or a lot of it. Just notice. And as that's happening, I'm going to invite you to just begin to notice what else is happening around you. Maybe you might notice some things that you'd forgotten or things you haven't noticed before in regards to this specific moment. Or perhaps this is the first time you're even bringing up this moment. So notice what's happening for you as you explore that specific moment. Notice neck down what's happening for you. And I'm going to invite you to approach the younger version of you that feels accepted and loved in that moment. Ask that younger version what it would like to say to the older version, to you, and wait for the answer. And breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. And once you've heard, I'm going to invite you to respond and notice what happens. Wait for the answer. And what you've heard, sit with it and notice what's happening for you. And again, breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. Whatever you've been told, remember, be non-judgmental, be curious, and be self-compassionate. Self-compassionate language is not judgmental. It's not hateful. Doesn't cast blame. And as that's happening, you can respond and notice what happens. Again, in through the nose, out through the nose, breathing. And as that's happening, I'd like to invite you to just offer gratitude to the moment, gratitude to the version of you that's present, the version of you that's feeling loved and accepted. Offer gratitude to what you've learned and seen in that moment. Whatever gratitude looks like. And notice what happens as you offer gratitude towards that part and towards yourself. I'm also going to invite you to offer self-compassion. And if there's a bit of resistance, just ask the resistant part to just step to the side a little bit. We're not getting rid of it. And to just allow you to provide and feel some self-compassion. And as that's happening, I'm going to invite you to slowly say goodbye and slowly open your eyes to the present moment. And as you're here, I'm going to invite you to orient yourself around where you are. Identify 5 different colors. One thing you can smell. One sound you can hear. Something you can taste in your mouth. And just notice the temperature and where you are right now. Now, as you're back, I'm going to invite you to reflect on what stood out in that moment of love and acceptance. What stood out for you? Reflect on what does love and acceptance mean for you. Notice. Reflect on if you're feeling loved and accepted right now. Perhaps that's coupled with another emotion, maybe deep thought, maybe regret, maybe sadness a little bit. But again, just put that to the side for now and just notice the love and acceptance that was present. And just allow yourself to feel that love and acceptance and notice if you feel it right now. If so, notice where in the body you feel it right now. And again, breathing in through the nose, out through the nose. And just stay with it for a while. And again, just be curious and notice what happens. Okay, so feel free to continue that exercise and just be curious around love and acceptance and how that shows up today. How does that version of you show up today? How does that part that felt loved and connected show up? Does it show up? When does it show up? Now that you've connected to it, how can you connect to it more? How can you be curious about this part? So again, I invite you to continue to do that work around curiosity and asking questions and being self-compassionate and being non-judgmental. And again, please share your experiences and other things in the comments so that people can learn and get help from your journey and your experiences. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Share the challenge to others who might find this challenge helpful. Thank you for watching.